In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag products on Pinterest in your pins. First, go ahead and open the Pinterest app. Or if you're working on a computer, log in to the Pinterest website. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want to manage your pin and product-related settings. Starting from the correct account is important, especially if you manage more than one profile for personal or business use. Once you're in, look for your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen and tap it to open your profile area. This is where Pinterest keeps your account level controls, so it's the right place to begin if you need to adjust how information is used in connection with your pins and products. After that, find the settings icon. Depending on the version of Pinterest you're using, this may appear as a gear icon or as 3 dots in the top right corner of the screen. Tap that to open the settings menu. If the layout looks slightly different on your device, don't worry. Pinterest sometimes updates its interface, but the options are usually grouped in a similar way. From the settings menu, select Privacy and Data. This section controls how Pinterest uses information to personalize your experience, including the way ads and related content may be tailored to you. If you're reviewing product tagging visibility, or trying to limit personalized ad behavior while working with pins, this is the section you'll want to check carefully. Now scroll down until you see a section called Ads Personalization, or simply Personalization. The exact wording can vary a little depending on your region, device, or app version. Take a moment to read through the available options so you understand what each setting affects. Next, toggle off or uncheck options such as ads about Pinterest, use info from sites you visit, or use of partner info. These settings are related to how Pinterest gathers and uses information to personalize ads and recommendations. Turning them off can help reduce personalized tracking and make your account preferences more privacy-focused. In many cases, your changes will save automatically as soon as you switch the setting off. On some versions, you may also see a save button, so if that appears, tap it before leaving the page. It's always a good idea to double check that the toggles stayed in the position you selected. And that's it. You've now updated your Pinterest privacy and personalization settings. If you're following along on a different device, the wording or layout may look a little different, but the overall process should be very similar.